Hello! We need peace! We need justice! We need peace! We need peace! We need justice! We need justice! We need justice! We need justice! Justice for Banyamulenge! Justice for Banyamulenge! Justice for Banyamulenge! Justice for Banyamulenge! Banyamulenge lives matters! Banyamulenge lives matters! We need peace! We need justice! We need peace! We need peace! We need justice! We need justice! Arrest the Burundian army! Arrest Burundian army! Arrest Burundian army! Arrest Burundian army! Stop killing Banyamulenge! Stop killing Banyamulenge! Leave Minambwe! Leave Minambwe! Go back to your home! Go back to your home! Go back to Burundi! Go back to Burundi! We need peace! Stop killing us! Stop killing us! Stop genocide! Stop genocide! We are tired of you! We are tired of you! Our people are crying! Our people are crying! Crying for the safety! Crying for safety! Save Banyamulenge! Save Banyamulenge! Save Banyamulenge! Save Banyamulenge! Our voice matters! Our voice matters! Our lives matters! Our lives matter! We need peace! We need peace! We need justice! We need justice! We need justice! We need justice! We need peace! 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 Peace for Neva! Peace for Banyamulenge! Stop genocide! Stop genocide! Stop killing us! Stop killing us! Stop killing us! Stop killing us! Our lives matter! Our lives matter! Our lives matter! Our lives matter! Stop the genocide! Stop genocide! Stop the genocide! Stop the genocide! Stop the genocide! Stop the genocide! We are crying for the nation. We are crying for our family. We are crying for our village. We are crying for our village. It's where we come from. It's where we come from. Our parents have been killed every day. Our parents have been killed every day. The nation is just silent. Enough is enough! It's enough!
Começa. Bano baje imbere.
Abadafite agatambaro bo ufata kukanwa gusa.
Okay, so today we came to protest here at the State Senate in Arizona. And right here we have the president of Mahoro Peace Association. We would like to ask him some questions. Please explain to us why we came here and what benefit of coming here do you think it's going to impact the war that's going on in Congo, in Minembwe? And do you think it's going to help the situation that's going on back there?
Oh, thank you very much for a good question, very important question. We're here, and this is not the first time. We were here 7 years ago, talking exactly the same thing. The war that's going on in the Congo has multiple faces. It's a multiple-faced war. But today we're protesting against a particular situation that's taking place in South Kivu, specifically in high plateaus of Minembwe. The population of Banyamulenge in areas such as Minembwe, Rurambo, Ibogogo, and Kundondo, right? Those are areas that predominantly have Banyamulenge in it. Those areas are currently being under siege. It's under siege by the Burundian government in coalition with the Congolese government and the Mazalendo movement and the FDLR. So they're restricting any movement of Banyamulenge going from places to places. In essence, they've been put into a ghetto. This ghetto is exactly the same ghetto that they put Jews in during their genocide. It's one of the steps of genocide that's been defined. So we are here to tell the world about what is going on. It is a war that has many faces to it, and people use that war to give up their own information, their propaganda. But today, we will try to limit this manifestation to an area where there's a slow genocide. Banyamulenge are being slowly killed off, starving and ensuring they don't get any medication. So that's why we are here. It is important because we need the world to know. We need the world to know what's going on. And we need to know the world to know the victims of this particular war. And I cannot deny that the war affects many people. The Congo War is a war that affects many tribes. However, the tribe that's being targeted here for extermination is the Banyamulenge. We want the world to know it, we want the world to see it, and we want the world to act. Do not be silent, because silence is complicit. Thank you.
Thank you, President. I know he's very busy, but one last question. You mentioned Burundi. What does Burundi have to do with the war in Congo? Burundi is its own country. Why is Burundi in Congo, and what is it doing there?
Very good question. So Burundi is a country that's an ally to the DRC government. They're allied to them, and the government of DRC has contracted Burundi to come and help them fight the war in Congo. However, they're fighting the wrong war, they're fighting the wrong people. If they really want, and in the wrong turf, this is not their turf. The Banyamulenge have lived in those mountains for centuries and centuries. If they really want to go and help the DR government, they should go and fight the rebels wherever they are, not in Minembwe, not in the villages where civilians are. So Burundi does not have a place in our area. They do not have the right to come and kill us. They've killed us before, not on one, but on 2 occasions. And there's never been any particular justice for our people. So it seemed to me that they continue to do exactly what they've been doing previously. However, today we're going to say no. We are saying no. Burundi should evacuate our area and go and fight the government rebels where they are.
What's your message to Burundi and Congo for torturing the women and children who are in Minembwe? They blocked the ways for them to access food, water, medication, anything that a human being needs to survive. What's your message to those 2 governments?
My message to them is stop. Enough is enough. They should get away from our places. They should liberate our people. They should give our people the right to be. They should give back our right to life. Banyamulenge people have a right to live in their own area freely. They need to be able to travel from one area to another. They need to be able to get medications. They need to be able to get whatever supplies that they need freely. To the DRC and to the Burundian government, we need you and your military to move away from our people and leave us free.
Thank you, President.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I can ask you, you are a woman, a mother. You're here today to support this movement. Why are you here, and what's a message? What message can you give the women in Minembwe who are suffering, who lost hope? What can you tell them?
Okay, thank you so much for the question. My name is Yvonne. I'm here because I'm so sad for what is going on back home. People back home are suffering. They go days without food. They go days without knowing that they're gonna wake up in peace. They go days without knowing who's gonna attack them, whether Congolese or Burundian. That's why I'm here. I'm here to protest. I'm here to say that enough is enough. I'm here to say that we are with you, Banyamulenge women's, Banyamulenge men's, and Banyamulenge kids. So know that we are here for you. We are fighting for you. We are here to let the world know that enough is enough, and this needs to stop. Burundian, reka mpindura mu kinyamurenge kubera ko abarundi bumva ikinyamurenge n'abakongomani bumva ikinyamurenge nubwo bigirisha ko batacumva. Turi hano muri Amerika, twavuze ngo birahagije, twapfuye impfu nyinshi kandi zitandukanye, kandi tugapfa impfu z'inzirakarengane. Rero turavuze ngo birahagije, mwaratwica urupfu ruhagije, abarundi muhagarare, musubire iwanyu. Ubwo mwatwishe 2004 rurahagije, ubwo mwatwishe muri 1997 it's enough. Rero niyo mpamvu ndi hano kugira ngo mvugire bene wacu, mbwira amahanga, mbwire UN, mbabwire ko dukeneye ubufasha bwanyu. We are tired, we are crying for help, we need peace in Minembwe. Thank you.
So, last question.
Yes.
Thank you so much for taking your time. So we know mothers as nurturers. They are providers for the children. They're homemakers. Why are they a threat to these two governments? Mothers who are weaponless, who are just trying to live a basic life, taking care of their family, live in their homeland. Why do you think these human beings who are very innocent are a threat to two big governments that makes them go kill them for no reason?
Thank you so much for your question again. That's very true. Mothers are nurturers. Mothers are home provider. Mothers are there for the kids and for their families. Burundian or Congolese, they are attacking wrong people. They are attacking wrong individuals, because mothers, they have no any political issues in either Congo or Burundians. So they're just attacking wrong people. They're just trying to find the ways they can eliminate any person is called Tutsi in Congo or anybody called Banyamulenge in Congo. They just want to kill us all. But guess what? We have a message for all of you. Mothers, we say that enough is enough. We are tired. We need you to stop killing mothers and children. They don't have any issues with Congo or Burundi. So you're attacking wrong people. So stop attacking mothers or children, because all they want is peace. Make food for their own kids or their own husband. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for coming today.
You are welcome.
I know. Hi, turi hano kuri capital city ya Phoenix, Arizona. Watubwira impamvu yakuzanye hano? Yes, uyu munsi twaje kwamagana government ya Burundi n'iya Congo, bagenzi bacu b'abakongomani bakomeza kwica abanyamurenge n'abatutsi bo muri North. So uyu munsi twaje kubasaba ibyo bintu babihagarike, komeza kwica abagore n'abana badafite ubushobozi bwo kubarasa, badafite ubushobozi bwo gukora ikintu kibi kuri government zombi. Rero uyu munsi niyo mpamvu twaje kwigaragaza hano, kwereka amahanga ikibazo cyacu, kwizera yuko maybe hari umuntu wabibona akadufasha tugahagarika intambara ziri iwacu na bene wacu bakomeza kwicwa bazira uko bameze, uko basa, uko Imana yabaremye. Okay, what message do you have for Burundian army that are living in Congo, causing troubles, killing our people? And what is the other message you have for DRC people that allowing Burundian army to enter into the country and kill Congolese Tutsi? I know a lot of our fellow Congolese people don't believe that Yuko, like they're killing us in Congo. But we have shown evidence, even right now. If you do research, if you ask us personally for pictures, we have proof of drones, military aircraft, bombing places like Mulenge or Mulenge or other places. They're trying to kill innocent lives. They're trying to kill weaponless women and children. So the message I have for our fellow Congolese people, open your eyes. What the government is telling you is propaganda. They're not really being honest with what they're doing behind. They're killing innocent people. Burundian government came and helped them to kill our innocent